Yo, what we've got going on with the 05 right now, or the 05 STI right now, it's just unacceptable. We've been calling this thing a daily driver and doesn't even have tint on it. So we're gonna fix that today. We got a decent amount of stuff today, and I have a good amount of updates for you guys as well. Let me get away from the exhaust so it's not like crazy loud. Why you gotta be so loud? Inside of the car is like the quietest place right now. But what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So obviously we're going to get these windows tinted today. I can't stand driving around in a fishbowl. Oh geez, the microphone's like hitting the mirror. I can't stand like driving around in a fishbowl. So we're taking the car over to this place where I always get the windows tinted. They do a super awesome job for a pretty affordable price. On top of that, we have some more stuff to do. The speaker spacers showed up, so we're gonna get the new speakers in. And then there's something at the PO box that we gotta go grab, which I think is for the 05 STI, which is goodies. For the EG33 on the other STI, I actually have an update for that car now. So yesterday I ordered a ton of stuff to get that thing going. I got both wastegates ordered, the tile blow-off valve, all new timing components, which let me tell you, buying OEM timing components is not cheap, especially for an EG33. They're just marked up and old. Like nobody sells a lot of those parts anymore. And then on top of that, I also got the IAG alternator relocation bracket. It's meant for an EJ, but from what I could see in photos, it looks like it'll work on the EG, no problem. So we have a ton of stuff coming. I did talk to Outfront Motors today about the motor, and they said that Jeremy down there said it should be done next week, and it should be coming like back up to us, so that way we can actually get the motor in. I also set up a meeting with a fabricator to talk about like turbo location, turbo size, whole bunch of stuff to get that go. Well, not turbo size, but turbo location and what kind of the space we're working with there. But let's go get some window tint. Well, I need a coffee first, then we'll go get some window tint. Are you warmed up yet? Nope. Let's go get some windows tinted. Enjoy driving with the windows down now. As soon as I get to, what, 3 days? Can't roll my windows down for what, like 3 days? Dude, I can hear how squeaky all of my suspension is. What does that mean? Why are there so many bicycle cops? There's like 4 of them right there. Pretty sure it's illegal to ride next to each other also, gentlemen. If we get in trouble for breaking the law, you should too. Just saying. Yo, I cannot wait to not have to drive around in this fish bowl. Not a fan of fish bowls. Yeah, the tinting place that we're going to is like right by the old garage too. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Might have to walk over there if we got time. I think he said it's going to take like 3 hours or something like that. SC window tinting. Hello, my friend. I'm guessing I just like pull in here. I just got down here to SC window tinting. I've had them do like multiple cars of mine in the past. I think they've done like 5 or 6 cars at this point. I don't know if Sean's gonna be cool with me filming, but I'm definitely gonna ask if he's cool with it. But I don't know, let me go in there, check in, see what's up, and we'll see what happens. So much happier with having the windows tinted. I don't know, like you can't really see it in the video right now, but they are definitely tinted. We did 20% on here. It makes the whole outside of the car look so much better. I'll give you guys like a full like showing of the car when we get back to the house, but I love it. We're at the PO box right now. I gotta go pick up a package, and then after that, we're running errands today. Today's an errands day. And then we gotta go drop off an order, so we gotta ship out your guys' orders whenever you do them. Let's grab some stuff. Let's drop some stuff off. Let's go look at the car. Yo, tint makes your car look instantly better. 100% instantly better. I am so happy with the outcome with this. I'll show you guys it here in a second, but obviously we're back up at the house. We're gonna go back out for a drive here shortly because I have a couple more errands that I'm gonna run. But we're gonna do some POV driving also because people seem to like the POV driving in the 05 STI. But let me show you guys how this looks, and then I want to show you guys what we got in the PO box. It's kind of cool. I mean, I haven't opened it yet, but we're gonna do an unboxing of something I don't know what's in the box. Oh my god, there's a bird in here. Get out. Why was there a bird in here? What are you doing? So happy with the outcome of this. Like, it's the smallest things. It's not like a modification, or I mean, I guess tint can be considered a modification. The only downside to this is I can't actually roll down the windows for like 3 to 4 days, and I don't have AC, so it's gonna suck for the next 3 to 4 days. Yeah, I know there's gonna be like 1 or 2 comments that say, hey, put the AC back in.
No.
But like, super happy with this. If any of you guys are curious, it is 20% tint front and back, and on the back window. I got nothing on the front window right now. I just don't really need anything on the front window. To be honest, it's perfectly fine as is, but perfect. Now, oh yeah, and with these, I was gonna do these. Oh, if I kick that one more time, I swear. Oh, it's like taking a Razor scooter to the ankle. Oh my God, why? I regret putting you on. Anyways, now that we're past that, don't kick that again. Speakers. I was gonna do the speakers today, but seeing as how I can't touch the window, not gonna worry about this today. I'll do this in a couple of days. But let's open this box. So I know this is from Chemical Guys, but I don't know what's in it. What do we got? Chemical Guys, what'd you send us? Boop, boop, boop. Oh wow, dude, there's so many goodies. Oh, that's a dope hat. Sick! Cool Chemical Guys hat. They must have saw that mine was like garbage. We got Hydro Charge ceramic coating spray, Hydro Slick ceramic hyper whack, optimal grade cutting polish. Ooh, what is this little box? Carbon Performance ceramic protective paint coating systems. What is the optical grade exterior compound? We got some compound. Optimal grade final polish. Dude, the STI is gonna look so good. Clear cut correction compound and perfection polish. Yes! So honestly, huge shout out to Chemical Guys. This is going to be awesome for the 05 STI because even though we did that that cleanup on it like 2 months ago, the paint it still needs a lot of love. And with all of this, we're gonna give it all that love and we're gonna make the paint on that car look brand new again. It's completely blown out. I do apologize, but this is definitely gonna make everything look brand new again. But we got some errands to run. Let's go run some errands. Watch out, Crow. The turbo will suck you in. All right, next up on the docket, we need to swing down to Subaru. I need a gas cap for this car because this car, I mean, it has a gas cap, but it really bothers me that the little tether for the gas cap is like broken, missing. The stock gas cap is like cracked and destroyed. Don't exactly know what happened to it, but gas caps are pretty cheap. They're like 20 bucks. So I'd rather just snag one. If they don't have one, I'll just order it through them and go pick it up later. I still need to fix the window seal. I'm gonna order that part online though, because those things are like stupid expensive. I think Subaru wanted, I don't know, they wanted a lot. I think it was like $200 for the window seal. What up, little Honda? We friends. I like that guy. Look at that. He got a wave. He got the I think I peace signed him. I don't know. I gave him a wave. Clean little Honda. I can't roll down my window, so I couldn't say hi, but what up, little Honda? Yeah, 10 out of 10 on this DAMD wheel. I know I didn't really cover much on this steering wheel in the video when we installed it, but 10 out of 10. These like thumb grips on here, they take a minute to get used to, but once you're used to them, like, it feels nice. The steering wheel is also thicker too, so it gives like more grip, like more support. It's more supportive. Plus the flat bottom, I'm a fan of. I like it, I dig it, I'm all about it. Doing truck. You clearly did not have the right of way. Let's do a quick 100% throttle. Holy shit! Oh my! Oh yeah, I have throttle percentage up right there. Wow! Wow, that's the first time I've got 100% throttle. I forgot, man. She got the sauce. She got the beans and the potatoes in here. Come back here. That was legit the first time I've got 100% throttle in this thing. Yeah. Holy shit. Woo! I love this car, man. I love this thing. That feels nuts. The window's breaking my balls, though. 25 is just a recommendation, right? Ah, we caught up to him. One thing I actually really like about this car with that bypass valve and that turbo is if I get into like the right amount of boost, like 6 PSI to 7 PSI, it has a little bit of compressor surge and it sounds gnarly. Can you guys hear it? Like, it like cuts back through the turbo. At least that's what it sounds like. It's not like the flutter, but it's more of like a, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. Makes sense to me though. All right, I see Subaru. Let me go run in there. Let me go see if they have a gas cap. Hopefully they do. We've returned to our sanctuary, our dwelling, our garage with the turd. So, what did I even go to the dealership? Gas cap. They didn't have any in stock, so I got one ordered. It was like 20, 25 bucks. Should be here Thursday, so we can get our gas cap replaced on that car. Like I said, it's nothing major. It's just a little tether on it. It just bothers the hell out of me for some reason. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys on this one. On the next video, we're going back to this one. We need to go through the fuse box, and we're going to start pulling more wiring out of the car. Anything that's not going to be used in the swap, we're going to remove and de-pin from the fuse box, such as like fans, anything else in the engine bay that's just not needed, AC connectors, stuff like that. I'm looking into fuse box options for like where I can put this fuse box. I found a couple aftermarket ones that seem like they might work. I can mount it up inside of the glove box area or underneath of the dash to make things a little bit more accessible, just so that way we can get that stuff like actually out of the engine bay just to clear up more room. But I'm excited for Friday. Friday, a lot of our parts for this show up. Not like we can do much, but I am excited for next week because we're supposed to have our short block back. And if our short block comes back, we can start assembling the short block, get the heads on there, get timing set, get it in the car, get it permanently put in the car with our new ACT clutch flywheel setup, get some of the fuel system started. Like as soon as we get the short block, as soon. So hopefully we get it back. But anyways, like I said, that's all I got for you guys on this one. It was a fun, chill day getting the 05 tinted. It looks 1,000 times better now, running just some mundane errands. But hey, any errands can be made fun. But if you guys like the video, this chill, relaxed video, go ahead, hit that like button, turn it black, blue, green, yellow, purple, whatever color it turns for you. But the color of the day today is blue, like the Subaru. So if that like button turns blue for you, go ahead and hit that thing. If not, why did I say that? And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit your boy up one of these corners. No idea which one I'll put it in quite yet. But with that, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, homies. Woo!